Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Recuva. I don't know what is the pronunciation of this word. Recuva. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to download and install this software on your computer. So let's get started. Link in the description. Just click on it and you will see this website. This is a freeware utility for file recovery.
Recuva, I don't know what is it. It's a freeware program that helps the user restore files that have been deleted from the computer. The deleted file which have been deleted from the recycle bin as well can be retrieved using this, as well as files that have been deleted due to bugs or viruses. This is a Windows compatible program and can also be used to extract deleted files from external drives and devices like Mp3 players. So
as you can see, scroll down, you can see file size is 5 MB. Requirements here: language English, available language English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Chinese. License is free. The official website is here, CCleaner, as you guys can see when I open it. When you scroll down to the bottom, you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to download from here. Just click on this green button and wait for a few seconds. It will start. Click show all. You will see this, it is downloading, just 5 MB. So it is done. After that, just click here, click yes, and you will see this. Okay, then after that, click on install. View release note. Now I don't want this. Run Recuva. Next. Welcome to the Recuva wizard. This wizard will help you recover your files. Just answer a few simple questions and Recuva does the rest. Do not show the wizard setup. Okay, you can hear and you can do whatever you want, like pictures, music, documents, videos, compressed emails. Click next and you can, I'm not sure, search wherever on this computer. I don't know. If you know, then select that folder, click next and start. It will retrieve your deleted files. I hope it will come here. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.